Once again, people of Barangay Maniki, we're inviting everyone to witness. Still right here at the contest winner for the awards event, the Grand Coronation Night of Hiyas. Hiyas ng Maniki 218-214. So it is showcasing the beauty and wit of our candidates from different areas of Barangay Maniki. Alright, the result is in my hand. Beginning with our second princess. Presenting the award, we have Sir Robert Caminero and Honorable Shaina Faye Ancido. And our second princess is Queen number. Who's your dad? Second princess, Queen number 6. And now there are only two. One of us two wins will be crowned the sole winner. But before that, let me remind you that the position of the first princess is very vital for whatever happens to the Queen of the Gala 2024. If whatever reason that she cannot complete her reign, the first princess will take over. Here we go. I will announce the winner of the 2024 Queen of the Gala, and the remaining candidate is our first princess. Again, we will announce the winner as our Queen of the Gala 2024. Here we go. People of Maniki, who is your dad? Alright, presenting the award for our Queen of the Gala 2024. We have Ma'am Eloisa Manos, Honorable Helen May Vizcaya, Camille Estrada, and our reigning Queen, Yuni Randon. And to award our first runner-up, we have Honorable Noel A. Mukali and Honorable J.R. Lumba. And of course, the brand new Queen of the Gala 2024 will receive a gift cert from Lado Revita Hair Salon worth 2,500 pesos. Good luck, Queens! Ladies and gentlemen, you are our brand new Queen of Hudyaka 2024, Queen number. Who's your dad? Sigaw naman ang people! You are our Queen of Hudyaka 2024, Queen number 5! Once again, our first princess is Queen number 1. Again, our Queen of Hudyaka 2024 is Queen number 5. Congratulations, Queen number 5. You are our brand new Queen of the Gala 2024. You're gonna take your first look as the new crown bearer. She'll go home with a big smile, a crown, and a pride and honor as our Queen of Hudyaka 2024. Once again, Queen of Hudyaka 2024, Queen number 5. Take your first look as the brand new Queen of Hudyaka. Once again, people of Maniki, Queen of Hudyaka 2024 is Queen number 5. In behalf of the Barangay Council of LGU Barangay Manini, headed by our beloved Barangay Captain Honorable Romy Mugini Estrada, and of course to the Tsune Hera Production and Events headed by Supermodel herself, Madam Orsi and the team. This has been your host, Val Mayra, saying, see you next year. Mabuhay Barangay Manini and Happy Hugyaka Festival! And I request our panel of judges to please join our candidates on stage for the final photo opportunity.